After coming into office, Cabinet endorsed the review of the GCC in March this year. Mr. Speaker, pursuant to this Cabinet decision, my ministry appointed a 7-member review team after an open, competitive process to review the GCC. This work began in April and concluded in July. The GCC review team embarked on an extensive journey of consultations, dialogue, and discovery, reaching every province within our island nation. They sought the wisdom of local communities, engaging in deep consultations with Fijians from all walks of life. Mr. Speaker, this was a profound commitment to inclusivity. The team ensured that the voice of Fijians, from bustling markets of towns and cities to the village of our islands, was heard. Their mission was to weave together the diverse array of opinions in coherent visions for the future of the GCC. The team listed with respect to the hopes and concerns of the i-Taukei people. It highly recognized that each province holds a unique place in our culture space. Other ethnical groups also gave their opinion. This was to ensure that they too had a part to play in this important process. Embracing all groups of Fijians ensured that the process was all-encompassing. Through this comprehensive engagement, the review team demonstrated an unwavering dedication to this process. It was not only consultative, but also culturally vibrant and deeply democratic. It is this thorough exercise of nationwide engagement that underscored the unity and shared purpose of their mission towards a revitalized governance structure of the GCC. Mr. Speaker, the comprehensive report by the review team is a testament to our collective resolve to fill this governance vacuum. The recommendations of the review team are not merely suggestions. They form a strategic framework to guide the revitalization and modernization of indigenous governance structures. The recommendations are also aligned with contemporary societal values and international governance standards. They also fully safeguard Fijian heritage and the empowering of i-Taukei communities for the generations to come. Mr. Speaker, the review team came up with 8 recommendations. Recommendation 1, the GCC to be independent and politically neutral. 2, the GCC to be re-established as a statutory trust under an Act of Parliament. 3, the i-Taukei Trust Fund be moved under the proposed GCC structure and grow its financial base. 4, the GCC be proactive in advocating, directing, and oversighting of the i-Taukei interests and aspirations. 5, The GCC maintain and strengthen its advisory function in national building. 6. The GCC champions strongly advocating and set strategic direction on 8 thematical areas, namely spiritual well-being and service-centered, good governance and good leadership, economic empowerment, culture, traditional heritage and resource ownership, education, health and well-being, environment and climate change. 7, that 1 out of the 3 seats per province is allocated for women, with provision for observer status for ordinary citizens and youth representatives, and non-voting seats to be allocated to Christian Church. And 8, that an implementation team be established.